In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cash App to your Wix site. This integration is a fantastic way to expand your payment options and offer your customers the convenience of using Cash App for their transactions. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you are logged into your Wix account. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the Wix.com dashboard. From your dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of your screen, where you will find a menu with various options. Here, you'll want to click on Settings. This section is essential as it houses all the configurations you need for your website, including payment settings. After you've clicked on Settings, you're going to be looking for an option called Accept Payments. Click on it. This section allows you to manage how you receive payments on your site. It's crucial to have this set up correctly to ensure smooth financial transactions. Now, in the Accept Payments section, you'll want to locate and click on the Connect button under Manual Payments. This option allows you to set up various manual payment methods, and in this case, we will be focusing on adding Cash App. Once you've clicked on Connect, you'll be presented with different payment types that you can choose from. Select the one that aligns best with your requirements for Cash App, as this is where you'll input the necessary information to guide your customers. Now, it's important to ensure your customers are clear on how to make payments. You'll need to focus on letting your customers know exactly how they can pay using Cash App. To do this, within the page, you'll find an instruction box. This is where you'll want to fill in the relevant information for Cash App. This brings us to the next step. Type in your Cash App tag into the instruction box. This tag is essential because it serves as the unique identifier your customers will use when they send payment through Cash App. Make sure it's correctly entered to avoid any confusion or issues with transactions. Finally, after you've filled in your Cash App tag and ensured everything is correctly set, all you need to do is click Connect. This will complete the setup and your Wix site is now ready to accept payments via Cash App. Remember to test this setup by conducting a small transaction to ensure everything is working smoothly. This approach helps to prevent issues down the line and assures a seamless experience for your customers. And that's it! You've now successfully added Cash App to your Wix site. Offering multiple payment options not only enhances customer convenience, but can also boost your sales by accommodating different user preferences. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your site.